Hey guys, welcome to the Shopify section of this course. This is one of my favorite sections because this is where you actually start building out your online store, your e-commerce website where you're going to be hosting all of your products, and hopefully customers will come, they'll see those products and buy those products. And I would imagine that 99% of you guys watching this course or enrolled in this course already know what Shopify is. But if you don't know what Shopify is probably the most recognized e-commerce platform for creating online stores or e-commerce websites. There's other platforms out there such as BigCommerce, WordPress, and things like that. But I would say Shopify is the most recognized one. It makes creating online stores very, very intuitive. You don't need any web design experience to use Shopify, and you can still create a beautiful online stores using templates and themes and things like that. Also, Shopify has a lot of applications, and I probably talked about apps in a different video, but just as a reminder, Shopify apps are kind of like apps for your smartphone, right? So when you download an app for your smartphone, generally that app helps you with doing something, whether it be fitness, listening to music, editing photos, Facebook, things like that. Well, apps for Shopify kind of do the same thing. It helps supplement your Shopify experience. It helps with, fulfilling products, marketing your products, organizing your Shopify store, designing your Shopify store app. There's pretty much hundreds of apps for anything you can think of on Shopify. So Shopify is the platform I use. Again, it's the most recognized platform for e-commerce websites. So this is why I'm also recommending it for you. And all of the other programs I will probably talk about throughout this course kind of connects with Shopify. So Shopify is going to be the basis of our online store, if you will. And my recommendation for all of you is that you sign up for Shopify now so that you can practice what I teach you in all the different lectures as we go along, because we're going to be spending hours and hours of detailed lectures on Shopify, setting up your settings, customizing your website, adding in all the different applications. It would benefit you to have a membership in a Shopify store that you can work on so that you can implement all the things I teach you as you go along. What I don't want you to do is kind of watch the entire course, hours and hours of training, and then sign up for Shopify at the end of the course, because then you're just going to have to go back and rewatch all the lectures, because it's going to be almost impossible for you to remember everything I teach you, because there's going to be hours and hours of lectures. So what I've done to make it a little bit easier for you, not that much easier, but a little bit easier, is I've added a free Shopify membership trial link to the attached resources. So if you go to the right side under this lecture, there should be a link. Once you click that link, it should bring you to a page that looks something like this. You can click this green button here or the green button up here, and you can sign up for a free membership for Shopify. It's a 14-day, 2-week trial. After those 2 weeks are over, they'll probably send you an email or prompt you to sign up for a paid membership. There are 3 different membership types: the basic Shopify, the Shopify plan, and the advanced Shopify plan. It is really completely up to you which plan you want to use. They all are adequate for drop shipping. I would say the only major difference between the 3 that may relate to drop shipping is going to be the transaction rates or the online credit card rates. So if you have the basic plan, then they're going to charge you 2.9% of every, and plus 30 cents for every sale you make. Or if you have the advanced plan, then you have 2.4%, a little bit less, and 30 cents for every transaction that you make. So if you're planning to do lots and lots of sales, which I hope you do, but if you're planning on that and you have hundreds of transactions or sales per day, then use the advanced Shopify plan. Obviously, you're going to save money in the long run. This is what I use. But if you don't know how much transactions or sales you'll be making, then you can also use the basic Shopify plan. It is really up to you how much you want to invest in yourself. Either way, all 3 of them are going to be at least adequate for drop shipping. Okay, so hopefully that you sign up for Shopify and then you kind of practice what you learn throughout this course as you go along. It's going to make it a lot easier as opposed to kind of relearning everything later. So I'll see you guys in there. I hope you guys are excited. We're going to be doing lots and lots of stuff with Shopify, and we're going to start customizing your unique Shopify store and online website. See you guys in there.